Stand. Inside. Janice, shall I come there? Up. Straighten. Inside. Down. Be active window. Stand ready. Where is sound? No sound? Attention. Now you will come here, okay? Let me see who is not going to perform well. Do it properly. Stand ready. Attention. Stand ready. Attention. Get ready for national anthem. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. It's coming up. Do it properly, all of you. Cover up. Side. Off. Cabinet. Left louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Off. Class 9. Do it properly. Hands up. Inside. Down. Stand days. Rossi the I am doing. No energy. Tension. Raise your feet. Stand it. Attention. Be ready for score, sir. All of you. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, then come up all of you. Check line outside. Inside. Denzel, stand straight. Up, down. Stand ready. What happened to you? Attention. Stand ready. Attention. Okay, now time for the speech. So, whose turn is it to deliver the speech? Please come forward. From senior.
Namaskar and everyone. Good morning to all. Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teacher, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Namaskar from Grade 6, standing in front of you to deliver short and sweet speech on the topic of newspaper. Before starting my topic, I'd like to thank the Asia community of Onpam Vidyasadans, which has to increase the confidence level of the students. Now my topic goes like this: newspaper. Life without newspaper, it is difficult to imagine. It is the first thing that we look every morning. They give information for everyone. For business, player, etc. are the benefited by the newspaper. It is important pillars in our lives. They give news, views, and entertainment. By sitting home, we can know about what happening in the country and what going in the world. And I like to say that it is important in our lives. Thank you.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to dear respected Vice Principal Sir, dear respected teachers and my dear friends and brothers sisters. It's me Zain Lama, as you already know. I'm from grade 9 and I'm standing here to give a short and sweet speech. My topic is about the history of money. Before starting my speech, I'd like to thank the ECA community of Onupam Vidyasadhan for inviting me on the stage to give this speech. Thank you. Now, starting my speech, history of money. Money is basically the currency that helps us exchange items or products and services. Banknotes, coins are those items of exchange. Starting of the history of money, way before banknotes and coins, people used to use the barter system instead of using money. In the barter system, people used cattle, grains to exchange goods and services. It is said that the currencies of money are were also from nature, like cow sire cells and whale teeth. In ancient times, people used cow sire cells because they were small in size, manageable, and not too heavy to carry. People also used whale teeth as it was considered a currency in ancient times. Before banknotes, people also used made different skins of animals and various other items as currencies. It is allegedly believed that China created paper. Paper is one of the items used in currencies, also known as banknotes we use nowadays. In China, around 1000 BC ago, the first banknote was made, and now it has gone from banknotes and coins to online money exchanging and item exchanging. As you already know, people can exchange items and services online with online currency. With saying this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.
So thank you both the speakers for your wonderful speech. So thank you. And cover all of you. Take line as well. And cover up. Side. Up. Make it straight. Hands up. What happened to Seamus? Hands up. Hands down. Be active. Stand ready. Attention. Stand ready. Attention. Okay, for some information, I would like to welcome our respected Vice Principal.
Thank you very much, Vikas sir. Come on up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Studies. It's not rhythmic sound. What happened to you? Why are you passive? Attention. Studies. That's great. So, I would like to welcome our BD chairman sir to be present over here. He has already come. Give you a big round of applause, everyone. So, today we are going to honor the students who have deserved rank in English Story Writing Competition 2082. So, I would like to request Pusha ma'am to be on the stage. Give her a big round of applause. So, there were two coordinators of English story writing competition, Pusha ma'am and Prinsa ma'am. So, Pusha ma'am, please put them together. Okay, winners. And Vikas sir, let's provide them card, right? Let me begin from third, junior level. Do you have any guess? Saurav, you think Saurav became third? The title of the story was The King and the Spider. The King and the Spider. Who wrote the story The King and the Spider? Could you remember? Please come on the stage. Geeta Rawat. Give her a bigger round of applause. From grade 5, roll number 2. And the program was held on 9th of... Ma'am, you just come this side. 9th of Bhadra 2082. Congratulations, Geeta. Third. Okay. Now let me announce the second. Do you have any guess who has stood the second position? The title of the story is The Boy Who Chased Stars. Who wrote the story? Please come on the stage. Saurabh Bogdan! Congratulations. Grade 5, roll number 13. What a great creation. I like it. Congratulations once again, Saurabh. Good job. Okay, now let me announce the first. First. Now first, right? First is, do you have any guess who stood the first? There is one word, wolf. The liar boy and the wolf. Please come on the stage. Who has written the story? Kavita Thapa. Congratulations. Grade 6, roll number 4. Okay, that was the name list of winners from junior level.
You have to see them.
Now senior level. Grade 7, 8, 9. What do you think? Who is the third one? Okay. The name of the story is The Mirror Secret. Who wrote the story? Mirror Secret. Please come on the stage. Aditi Devkota. Congratulations. Grade 7, roll number 14. What a great creation. The Mirror Secret. Okay, let me announce the second position holder. Okay, second. Do you have any guess? The title of the story is The Story of Nishimura Riki. Who wrote the story? Please come on the stage. Sarvani Gautam, grade 9, roll number 7. Congratulations, Sarvani. What happened? Why are you quite passive for clapping? Please give them a big round of applause. Okay, now it's the turn of first position Dijava. I can see the first position Dijava is giving little Muskan, but the person's name is not Muskan. Do you have any guess? Okay. The title of the story is Visaga. The title of the story is The Value of Honesty. Right. Who wrote the story? Please come on the stage. Visakha Taman. First story writing competition in English 2082 senior level. Congratulations. Grade 8, roll number 11. Give them a big round of applause once again, students. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. That's great. So, congratulations to all the winners. You have done great job. And tomorrow again there is next program. What is that? Nepali Katha Lekhan Pratyogita. So do your best and please be here to get your prize. We are ready to welcome you. Thank you very much, Bureau Chairman Sir, Vikas Sir and Pusha Ma'am. So students, you count the days which are left for your second term examination and prepare accordingly. Nowadays, each and every period is very important. Don't miss them and focus on studies. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. Clap. Hands side. Hands down. Studies. Attention. Grade 7 girls will be active. Studies. Attention. Okay. March time. Together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, come on. Grade 4 girls, move forward. Grade 9 boys, move forward.